Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a fantastic tender and juicy beef ribs with potatoes in the oven. And the ingredients are very simple, pretty easy to make at home. And I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need to make beef ribs. For this recipe I'm using 3 potatoes with the skin. So scrub the skin and wash it thoroughly. Place the ribs in the baking tray. Wash the ribs and dab the excess water with a tissue or a kitchen towel. Season the meat with some salt and pepper on both sides and slightly massage it. Add the potatoes, sprinkle some salt and pepper. We need some zest of lemon and orange. Just grate the skin, not the inner white part that will give you bitterness. We need about a tablespoon. We need juice of half a lemon and 1 orange. To get a fresh citrusy taste in your dish, add fresh lemon and orange juice. Let's make a sauce. For this I'm using 4 cloves of garlic. Just crush and add it. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of dry mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, some salt, zest of orange and lemon 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of mustard paste. If you don't have paste, crush some mustard seeds and add it. 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. This is juice of 1 orange and half a lemon. Again mix it thoroughly. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to sear the meat for about 5 to 6 minutes on both sides. Keep the flame on high. It's almost 3 minutes now. Let's turn it to the other side. Bring back the flame to medium and add the sauce on top of the meat. Turn off the flame. Time to put this in the oven. Do not add water to the meat. Meat will release some juice that will be sufficient to cook the meat. Cover the baking tray with the foil. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 1.5 to 2 hours. It depends upon the meat. Or until almost fall off the bone and tender. So check after 1.5 hours. Ribs are so tender. For me it took 1 hour 45 minutes. Allow ribs to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. The smell is so appetizing. Now I'm going to plate it up. Look at that, it's so juicy and tender, cooked perfectly. Do try this and share it with your family and friends and enjoy. Post your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.